Ooh. Hey, do you remember when we got these benches?
Yes.
Got them in Germany.
How's it?
They were so pretty. They are so pretty.
We couldn't leave them at the store.
Nope. But then you remember that guy? He was like, "Oh yeah, you need to use some polyacrylic on it, 'cause make it look nice, give you a nice durable finish."
It just ended up gummy.
Bad idea. Worst idea ever. You want to ruin your wood project. So, years later, here you go. It's looking good, sweetie.
Thanks. How smooth is it?
Smoother than a baby's bottom. So smooth. Oh yeah, there you go. Looking good, baby. Looking good.
Thanks.
Look at that. That's pretty.
I love that. It's a butcher block for your butt.
What are you putting on it?
Mineral oil.
Where'd you get it from?
The laxative section.
Don't lick it.
Don't lick it.
Don't lick it. Bad idea. Don't lick it.
I know we're going so fast, but you can barely see my high-speed shoes. Those are Crocs.
Ooh, there it goes. It's soaking in. How pretty.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay.